Welcome to Newlands Bishop Farm, part of the family caterers.
Newlands Bishop Farm is a training centre for adults with learning disabilities, as well as the 35 acres of land for looking after the animals. Within the project we have a horticultural unit and a woodwork unit. The woodwork unit is responsible for making a variety of different products, from planters to bird boxes to picnic tables to fencing. The horticultural unit is an area where project workers get a chance to work outside, but also inside in the greenhouses and polytunnels. We grow all our own herbs and vegetables, which we then use in the cafe. They also make lots of hanging baskets throughout the year and bedding plants, which we then sell to the local authority and to members of the public who come on site. At Newlands Bishop Farm, over the last 3 years, we've been working with the local authority to develop some new plans. We have now got planning permission for 2 new buildings on the farm, one of which will be a large canteen. At the farm now we have so many people that come throughout the week that we're now looking to develop the services further. We need a bigger area to house everybody at lunchtime and break times. Building a new canteen on site will also mean that our small tea rooms with our conference rooms can be opened up to hire out at all times throughout the week, and also the tea rooms can be advertised as being open to members of the public, so more people can come to the farm to have a wander around. The farm is open 7 days a week, so people get an opportunity to come to the farm during the week and just see what's going on. One of the services we've also done over the last 10 years is work with local corporate organisations. So we've had a number of organisations come to the farm. They volunteer their time through their work volunteer schemes and do a number of jobs for us on the farm. This year we had the airport that came out and they were great. They managed to spend 2 or 3 days at the farm and worked on our sensory garden. So one of the things we'd like to do is work more in partnership with local corporates, local groups to help come to the farm, help us develop areas on the farm, and also maybe look at fundraising for us, as well as developing the farm further. Throughout the year we probably have 20 to 30 corporate days from various different organisations, from Jaguar Land Rover to National Grid to Lloyd's, and these days are always great for us at the farm, but also good for the people that come out because they get a chance to be working outside, working with people that they wouldn't normally come into contact with, seeing people with disabilities that they may not also come into contact with, and generally have a fun day of doing something different that's outside their normal work.